Tucked into the dense forest hills of La Conception, Quebec, Hinterhouse is more than just a small home. It's a retreat designed to reconnect people with nature. Overlooking sweeping views of the Mont-Tremblant Valley, this compact 1,000-square-foot residence is part of the hintercompany vision, to offer a peaceful escape from the chaos of city life and create meaningful connections with the natural world. Prefabricated and designed to be transported on local roads, Hinterhouse is just 16 feet wide, but incredibly efficient in layout. Inside, it houses 2 snug bedrooms, a bathroom, and an open-plan living space. At the center, a 360-degree rotating wood stove anchors the room, adding warmth and a meditative view of the fire from every angle. Function and minimalism blend seamlessly throughout the home. A handcrafted maple farmhouse table doubles as a kitchen island, and a custom-designed vessel sink includes an integrated herb garden for fresh mint, basil, and sage, blending daily rituals with sustainable living. The bedrooms are cleverly arranged to fit queen-size beds from wall to wall, maximizing usable space. Sliding panels hide a TV at the foot of each bed, allowing guests to unwind with a movie or simply take in the view through large picture windows that frame the forest. Transparency is key to the home's design. Floor-to-ceiling windows on both sides pull the outdoors in, offering constant visual connection to nature. Even in the bathroom, a large window lets you shower while gazing at the surrounding trees, while a curbless concrete slab floor flows seamlessly into the shower for a clean, uninterrupted look. Built almost entirely from sustainably harvested local wood, the structure is wrapped in custom-milled white cedar boards, chosen for their durability and low maintenance, and to help the home age naturally and blend into its surroundings. Inside, red pine planks stained white soften the interior, while the central core is finished in ebony-stained Douglas fir plywood for contrast. One of Hinterhouse's most striking features is its ability to open or close entirely depending on the weather. Custom shutters mimic the rhythm of the exterior cladding, ensuring continuity in design. These sliding panels help regulate privacy and light, transforming the house to suit any mood or condition. A winding stone path leads down to a small sauna, an exact replica of the main house. It completes the Scandinavian-style spa experience with an outdoor cold shower and hammocks, inviting guests to relax, reset, and embrace the full hot-cold cycle. At its core, Hinterhouse is about simplicity, serenity, and sustainability. Every element, from its compact footprint to its material choices, supports a lifestyle that's in harmony with the land. It's not just a beautiful piece of architecture. It's an invitation to live with greater intention, rooted in nature and designed to last.